got it.
Hello, stock watchers, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and for Thursday, March 15th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets as well as the top movers to look out for today. In our headline news, after the Dow posted its second biggest drop in nearly 4 years on Tuesday, a growing sense that yesterday's broad-based downturn was an overreaction eventually prompted some afternoon short covering and helped investors get over an underlying pessimistic hump on Wednesday. Technical breakdowns on all major averages, as evidenced by the Dow slipping below the 12,000 mark intraday for the first time since November 6, 2006, exacerbated intraday declines before things finally turned around. Today's whipsaw trading activity was also attributed to this Friday's quarterly options expiration. Also known as quadruple witching, the simultaneous expiration of index options, stock options, index futures, and single stock futures typically adds to market volatility, and Wednesday was no exception. With concerns still looming about a possible liquidity crunch tied to an unwinding of the carry trade, further deterioration in the yen following a narrower than expected current account deficit helped to alleviate such worries. However, the biggest issue on investors' minds again was whether potential defaults by subprime borrowers will spill over into the broader economy, a concern we still believe is overblown. With the market closely eyeing today's first quarter report from Lehman Brothers to provide some clarity on the health of the troubling subprime mortgage market, management following up its record report by saying the sector will continue to face headwinds in the near term, pushed the stock down as much as 5.5%. This further magnified the mortgage delinquency news that rattled stocks Tuesday and left investors questioning whether the financial sector's earnings potential will play out as expected. After tumbling 3.2% yesterday, financials was down as much as 1.5% today, removing some notable leadership in the process. It wasn't until the sector turned the corner, due in part to Goldman Sachs reportedly bankrolling subprime lenders with credit in anticipation of a rebound, that the rest of the market took notice and garnered enough confidence to suggest that stocks may have finally bottomed. Couple the financial sector's recovery with widespread bargain hunting efforts throughout the next most heavily weighted sector, technology, and stocks turned in a respectable performance. And now for our small cap news brought to you by Quote Media today. Quote Media Incorporated is a leading data provider of financial stock market data, market news feeds, and related financial software solutions. Material Technologies Incorporated recently announced that the Pennsylvania Department of Transportation prepared an on-call contract with Material Technologies for the entire state. The contract was a result of the successful non-destructive testing of 3 bridges in Pennsylvania, which were part of interstate highways in diverse areas of the state. Penn Department of Transportation estimates they have already saved the state $50,000 and most likely avoided the closure of one of their main bridges. Now, Material Technologies Incorporated electrochemical fatigue sensor technology can find growing cracks in the bridges, allowing the state's engineers to fix the specific bridges in the priority of the most need of repair. Evolving Systems Incorporated announced today the financial results for its fourth quarter and full year end of December 31st, 2006. The company reported net income of $1 million or 5 cents per share. It was the company's second consecutive profitable quarter. Revenue in the fourth quarter was $8.8 million, up sequentially from $8.7 million, $8.2 million, and $8.1 million respectively in the third, second, and first quarters of 2006, but down from $10.1 million in the fourth quarter last year. Photo Channel Networks Incorporated announced yesterday it has launched its integration with Windows Vista Online Print Wizard. The new service is currently live for all 6,000 plus CVS locations. Photo Channel Networks Incorporated also announced this month it has signed an agreement with Sears Holding Corporation's Kmart division and has launched Kmart's online photo service. Photo Channel operates PNI Digital Media to provide services for major retailers, wireless carriers, and content providers. And that's it for our newsmakers today. Stay tuned right here to Quality Stocks Daily for the latest news on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow on the Daily Report.
You've got it.